Hi guys, this is Gurleen and welcome to my home. I've been super excited to be creating my own home space and I was really looking forward to it because it was kind of every element that I always wanted to put into my home that speaks everything about me. So let me show you from the first corner, which is when you enter, and we've created this little temple. I wanted to keep it very minimalistic, very clean, hence monochrome, which you will see a lot in my house. And this is something beautiful. It's like a sticker actually. It feels like a painting, but it's a wall sticker. But yeah, this is something where we begin our mornings with. We come and pray here. So this is my living room space. And I think for every living room to make it perfect, you need that perfect couch. And here it is. So after seeing through everywhere and a lot of Pinterest and mood boards and everything, I managed to get a couch made. So yes, of course, the comfy couch is there, but then to add on to the elements of the beautiful living room, I wanted to go, instead of a regular coffee table, I wanted to do a trunk. I got this from Rajasthan, and then it's beautiful with an element of cream and oak wood. So as you all see in my house, you will see a lot of cream, oak wood, ivories happening in the house. And when you all see my coffee table space, you all will see that whatever things and elements I love, there's a lot of Indian roots and cultures, and this is something when I'm not doing anything, I just want to open it up and it inspires me a lot. So moving forward, I want to take you all through my little entertainment corner. And so this was a little space we wanted to create to listen to good music, watch some content on TV, and again the elements and the flow of the interior of the TV console had to be similar to the whole vibe. Then there are a lot of these basket and gold elements that I wanted to add in because it just ties the whole look together with the cream, the beige and the monotones. So this mirror, I had actually kind of saved it in my Pinterest board years back, and when I went to Bandra market to source things for my home, I managed to get it from a local shop vendor with the same exact polish that I wanted. And of course, I love, even if it's the tiniest balcony, and this is something I wanted to create, a corner where I am doing nothing and having a cup of green tea. So I've got this little garden happening here and this little beautiful seating where me and my husband can have a little bit of a Sunday chit chat. I love to cook, and of course then we need a space to sit and eat for it. So I wanted to create a dining space with a little bit of a lounge space. So whenever I used to go out in the restaurants, I used to love that little bit of couch and little bit of chairs happening, and I wanted to create that sort of a vibe in my home. And of course, not to miss, the highlight of my dining space is this beautiful wallpaper which kind of looks like a painting. And this is again from Kalakari Hath, and of course it ties the whole palm leaves vibe together that I wanted to create in the home. This beautiful lantern has been sourced from Bandra street market, and I think it just lifts up the whole dining space and adds on to it. A lot of cushions and prints. So this space, when you see in contrast to my living space, which is super minimalistic and clean, this has a lot of print play, and that's of course my moods and my vibes. So one day I'm in a mood to do something clean and clutter free, and this is something which is a lot of print play, and that's just me. So there are 2 bedrooms in my house, but let me take you through the first one, which is the master bedroom or the resting den of my house. Come in. So my bedroom, of course, let's begin with the bed that I wanted to create. I didn't want that typical bed, so I wanted a little bit of elevation, and my main purpose of the bed facing this way was that I don't want to face the wall when I lie down on the bed. I wanted to face the greens, hence the bed goes in this direction. And then let me take you through the little elements in my bedroom. This beautiful lantern, whatever you call it, is actually inspired by the Mexico Tulum art, and you get it here in Goa with a window. They make it, it's handmade and it's organic and it's beautiful. So my bedroom and my living space have a mix of sheer and opaque curtains, and I got all my curtains from Pride Furnishings. They have some really good range of like the linen blends and everything, which I actually wanted. Moving forward to this frame, so this artwork is actually from Gaul, Sri Lanka, which I went there last year. And the minute I saw it, I fell in love with it. It's really subtle and beautiful and vintage for a master bedroom because it's got a really cute couple here. And then this little ledge and wall has pictures of all the people I love, and these frames are from IKEA. I just got them printed in black and white and added in these frames in different sizes. So it just adds a bit of element in the home. So this is our bathroom. Yes, I wanted to show my bathroom to you guys because it's very sweet, minimalistic. There are elements of gold and brass in the bathroom, and it's very vintage, which I love. The mirror is pretty vintage. It looks vintage, but yes, I got it from IKEA and budget. Last but not the least, this is my favorite space. It's my workspace or guest bedroom or my personal space when I need space from my husband. Hence, I've created this really little cute cozy room for myself. So this is like a sofa cum bed, which works very well for me when I just want to lie down, or when my guests come in, I pull it out for them. It becomes a double bed. It's got storage inside, which is again great for me because I have lots and lots of things to store always. There's a lot of pinks in this room because it's a fully white room, and I wanted to add a little bit of girly touch to this. So it's got this really nice pink. Then we get on to my dressing mirror space. Of course, I wanted to create this little corner for myself where I can just sit and get ready for all my work and my shoots, and it's got everything a girl will need to get ready in this corner. There's a cute little picture of me and my sister from our travels. There's this poster that we collected from a Louis Vuitton exhibition that I attended in Singapore. I love collecting and framing things. It just reminds me of my travels and the things that I've seen through it. So a lot of things in this room are from IKEA, which comes in budget, and they really give you things to utilize the space in the maximum manner. And it worked well because it's all white and that was the mood of the home, so it really worked well for me. I want to talk about this really beautiful painting my mom gifted me for the home. She made this beautiful mother-daughter piece on canvas, and it's really nice. It's oil paint and I love it, so I wanted to have it here and let it be the highlight of this room, of course. So hence it's over here. So the challenge here to get a wardrobe was pretty tough because the problem was the space was really narrow and I had to have something here to store my things, of course. And I always imagined myself having this kind of a shelf or wardrobe where I can just store the boxes and the things which are luxury, which I started collecting with time. It just reminds me from where I started to where I am right now, and it's got those little boxes, what my sister gifted me, what I got for myself, and it's all things fashion. So hope you all enjoyed watching my beautiful little home, and guys, for more such really cool home content, don't forget to follow Homely by LVP. Lots of love. Bye.